Hey everyone, and in my first video on my channel, I'm gonna teach you guys how to multiply by two digit. So this is how you do it. For example, if we have 56 multiplied by 47. What is the answer? Well, there's a pretty simple trick for doing that. So what we do, we put 56 at the top, like the biggest number at the top, and then you put the multiplication sign. Then you have to do 47 underneath the 56. You put a line underneath those two numbers. And then 6 sevens are 42. You put the 4 at the top. You put the tens number at you carry forward the tens number. And then 7 5s are 35, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Then you go 39. Then you put a 0 or an X, but I usually just do a 0. Cross out the 4. And then 6 4s, you are 24. Then you put a 2. And then 5 4s are 20, 22. Oh, sorry about that. Oh no, you don't multiply. You add these two numbers up. So 2. And then 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And then 6, and then 2. So the answer of 56 multiplied by 47 is 2,632. So I hope this helps you, and I will see you guys next time.